Automated Optical Inspection, or AOI, has become a cornerstone in modern PCB manufacturing. AOI systems use high-resolution cameras and sophisticated algorithms to detect defects in PCBs at a much faster and more accurate rate than manual inspection ever could. These systems can identify a wide range of defects, including misaligned components, soldering issues, trace defects, and even foreign objects that may have been left behind during the assembly process. AOI has the ability to check thousands of points per second, dramatically increasing inspection speed and ensuring each board is up to the highest standards. The importance of AOI in PCB manufacturing cannot be overstated. In industries where precision is critical, such as medical devices, automotive electronics, and high-frequency applications, even the smallest defect can result in catastrophic failure. AOI not only speeds up the inspection process, but also provides highly accurate results that minimize the chances of human error. This reduces the risk of faulty products reaching the market, which could result in costly recalls, delays, and damage to a company's reputation. Moreover, AOI can enhance the overall efficiency of the manufacturing process by identifying potential problems early, allowing for quicker corrective actions and fewer production stoppages. At HighPCB, we understand the critical role of quality control in PCB production, which is why we utilize the latest AOI technology to ensure that each board meets the highest standards. Our state-of-the-art AOI systems enable us to detect even the most minute defects, ensuring your PCBs are manufactured with unmatched precision and reliability. Whether you're designing for medical devices, consumer electronics, or automotive systems, HighPCB guarantees high-quality, defect-free PCBs every time. Check out the link in the description to learn more about how we can assist with your PCB manufacturing needs.